I want to tell you about my material is language in the brain. The first is neurolinguistic definition, the study of the relationship between language and your brain. Example, a youth meteor had gone through the front part of Mr. J's brain. Next, language areas in the brain. Definition, the most important parts area in areas above the left ear. Example, several areas of the brain have been identified with linguistic skills such as producing and understanding speech. Language area consists of Broca's area, the second is Wernicke's area, the third motor contract, the fourth arcuate fasciculus. Broca's area, lower part of the premotor contract, just anterior to the primary motor contract. Premotor contract means skill voluntary movement for the motor contract in both hemispheres. Broca's area in adjacent to motor contract of the face due the speech motor planner. Wernicke's area, the sensory area of the dominant hemispheres for interpretation of language is Wernicke's area, closely associated with hearing areas, provide the input stick and entry point for conversion of auditory sequence into neural word representation, leading to meaning appropriate content word localization of lexicon vocabulary for spoken word recognition exercise in the middle part of left superior and middle temporal gyri. Lexicon for writing word recognition exists in posterior part of left middle temporal gyrus. A major cell of our sensory experience is converted into language equivalent before stored in memory areas. Motor cortex. Motor cortex, an area of the brain at the back of the frontal lobe, in charge of the movement of your body parts. The motor cortex on the right side of your brain controls the movement of the left side of your body and vice versa. The more intricate the movement for one body part and the bigger the section on the motor cortex. Somasensory contact, they are just behind the motor contract where your body registers and processes sensation. Association area that associate various sensory input with stored memory. Example, you can move a hand and feet. Arcuate fasciculus. The arcuate fasciculus is white matter fibrate tract that link lateral temporal contract with frontal contract via a dorsal projection that arches around the sylvia fissure. On average, the human arcuate fasciculus is larger in the left than the right cerebral hemisphere. Second, tongue tips and sleep. The first, the tip of the tongue phenomenon. Definition is the failure to retrieve a word from Memory example speakers produce transcendental meditation but instead meditation. The next, the second is slips of the tongue. Definition is the replacement of one word with another that can add up to something far from what we mean to say. Example, black boxes. But we say black boxes, or cup, or tea. Say tub. The third is slip of the tongue. Definition: an error of misperception in listening, mistaking a word of phrase for a similar sounding word or phrase in speech or conversation. Example, he hear great up, but actually the speaker say grab tape. Third, the picture is tell about aphasia. Aphasia definition: aphasia is an impairment of language function due to localization brain damage that leads to difficulty in understanding and or producing linguistic form. Example, the person who suffers stroke, those effect can range from mild to severe reduction in the ability to use language. Next, Broca's aphasia. Definition is characterized by substantially reduced amount of speech, distort articulation, and slow. Example, a limited inflection such as ed. And the second, Wernicke's aphasia. Definition: the type of language disorder that results in auditory conversation. Example, when asked to repeat the word glass, he may say window or something contiguous with glass. The third, conduction aphasia. Definition: damage to the arcuate fasciculus that cause mispronounced word but typically do not have articulation problem. Example, repetition of the word based and was what the speaker hear and understand can be transferred very successfully. 4. What the picture? Do you know about it? The picture is dichotic listening. Definition: a behavioral technique for studying brain asymmetry in auditory processing. Example, through one earphone comes the syllable ga or the word dog, and through the other earphone at exactly the same time comes dog or cat. Fifth, do you know about the picture? The picture is the Critical period definition a limited time in which an event can occur, usually to result in some kind of transformation. Example, children learn language most rapidly when young, and that is more difficulty when they become adult. Thank you.